Oculus developers have just released an update for their hand tracking API called Hand Tracking 2.0, and it's pretty amazing. Let me show you. I've taken these videos from the article that Oculus developers posted on the Oculus website. You can find the link to the full article in the description. On the left, you can see what used to happen in version 1.0. Whenever a hand was close to touching the other would disappear. But now, with version 2.0, whenever one hand touches the other, they both keep appearing and they keep being tracked properly. In addition to that, with the new version, fast hand movement has also improved, which opens a lot of possibilities for developing games where hand movement is essential, for example punching games. And this is not even the best part of it. At this point, as a developer, you might be asking, okay, but what do I need to do in order to use this new hand tracking version? Do I need to upgrade the Oculus integration library in Unity? Or maybe change some settings somewhere? Well, the answer is no to both questions. It's actually much simpler than that. If you have the latest version of the Oculus operating system on your Oculus Quest, you probably already have Oculus Hand Tracking version 2.0. So all you need to do now is to specify in your build options for your game that you want to use the new version of the hand tracking capability. Let me show you how to do that in Unity. First, you will need to have a project with hand tracking enabled already available. If you haven't done that yet, go and check out my previous tutorial on how to do that in Unity. Great, now that we have everything ready, let's get down to business. In your project, go to File, Build Settings, and ensure that you have the Android platform selected. In addition, remember to add your scene to the Scenes to Build settings. Next, go to the Player settings, and in the Android tab, scroll down to the bottom where you find Publishing settings. Here, make sure that the Custom Main Manifest option is checked, and underneath you will see the path to the manifest file. We will need this for later. Next, go to Other Settings, and find the section that says Target Architectures. Here, make sure that you select ARM version 7. The next important step is finding and modifying the manifest file. Using the project search feature, search for manifest and open the first file you see. Inside the application tag, at the bottom, insert this metadata tag. You can find it in the description. Now, all that's left to do is to build our application. Go to File, Build Settings and Build. Select your directory where you want to save the APK and wait for the build process to finish. Once it is completed, copy the APK file and install it onto your Oculus device. And you're done. Here you can see how it used to work before when occlusion would make the hands disappear. But now this doesn't happen anymore. Look how amazing this is. I hope you found this guide helpful, and if you need any help or you have any questions, use the comment section down below. I'll do my best to help everyone. But that was it for this guide. See ya in the next video.